Hello dear students. Today's topic is equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variable. In this topic, we shall discuss about the solutions of such equations which are not linear but can be reduced into linear form by making some substitutions. This type of equations we understand with the help of exercise 3.6. Now let us start the question first. Solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. Firstly, we will reduce the given equations into linear equations, then solve by any algebraically method. Now see, these are equations given to us. 1 upon 2x plus 1 by 3y equal to 2. 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y equal to 13 by 6. These equations are here variable is in denominator. Let us see 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by x, 1 by y. Here 1 by x and 1 by y both are common in both equations. Firstly, observe which is common. Here 1 by x in first equation, 1 by x is also in second equation. Similarly, 1 by y in first equation, 1 by y in second equation. Now let us write these equations, given equations, as now we write these given equations like this: 1 by 2 into 1 by x, 1 by 3 into 1 by y is equal to 2. 1 by 3 1 by x plus 1 by 2 1 by y equal to 13 by 6. Now here 1 by x and 1 by y is common in both equations. So substitute putting 1 by x equal to any variable except x. I write u, any variable suppose that. Now similarly 1 by y is equal to v, a, v, anything else. Now we suppose first 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y equal to b. Now substitute these in given equations in these. Now 1 by 2, 1 by x is replaced by u. So write here u. 1 into u, it can also written as u by 2. Similarly 1 by 3, 1 by y is replaced by v. So it is written as 1 by 3 into v upon equal to 2. Similarly in second equation 1 by 3 into u plus 1 by 2 into v equal to 13 by 6. It can also written as u upon 2 plus v upon 3 equal to 2. It is written as u upon 3 v upon 2 equal to 13 by 6. Now these equations are reduced into linear equations. Now simplify these equations by taking their LCM. 3 or 2 6. So LCM of first equation is 6. U by 2 plus v upon 3 equal to 2. Write it as 6 3u plus 2v equal to 2. By cross multiply 3u plus 2v equal to 12. This is our first equation. Now it as third equation. Now observe from this equation. Now taking LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. U upon 3 plus v upon 2 equal to 13 by 6. Solve these equations. 6 LCM 2u plus 3v equal to 13 by 6. Now 2u plus 3v equal to 13. 6 cancels each other. This is fourth equation. Now solving third and fourth by any method. Now we are solving these equations by elimination method. You can solve with any method. Now in elimination method, firstly always multiply with opposite coefficient to make the numerically value of coefficient is equal. Now let us see here coefficient of u is 2, so first equation, third equation is, that is first equation is multiplied by 2. Here is 3, so another equation is multiplied by 3. So multiplying equation third by 2 and fourth by 3, we get 2 is multiplied by each term, 6u plus 4v equal to 24. Similarly 6u plus 9v equal to 39. Now subtract these equations. Now subtract these equations. Subtract means we have to change the sign. Always change here plus, then change the sign minus, minus, minus. Now cancel. Here is minus 5v equal to minus 15. V is equal to minus 15 upon minus 5. Our value is 3. Value of v is 3. Now substitute this value in any equation. Now substitute v in third equation. 3u plus 2v equal to 12. 3u plus 2v is 3. 3u plus 6 equal to 12. Now 3u is equal to 6. Then u is equal to 6 upon 3, 2. Value of u is 2. Now we have firstly convert equations into linear form, then solve those equations by any algebraic method. Now what our equations is in variable x and y, so we will find the value of x and y. Now what 1 by x is equal to u in starting, we suppose that, and 1 by y is equal to v. Now if 1 by x is equal to u is our 2, and 1 by y is equal to v is 3. So x is equal to 1 by x is equal to u. So 1 by x is equal to 2. So by cross multiplying, 2x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 by 2. By cross multiplying, 3y equal to 1, y is equal to 1 by 3. Now x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. This is our answer of first part. Now question second, 2 upon root x plus 1 by root y equal to 2. 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y equal to minus 1. Firstly, given equations must be reduced into linear equation by any substitution. Let us see from above equations. It is also written as 2 1 by root x, 3 1 by root y equal to 2. Similarly, second equation 4 1 upon root x minus 9 1 upon root y equal to minus 1. Now observe from these equations 1 by root x is common in both equations and 1 by root y is common in both equations. So put 1 upon root x is equal to any variable u. 1 upon root y is equal to v. Now reduces given equations into linear equations. Now 2 1 by root is replaced by u. Similarly 3 1 by root y is replaced by v in both equations. 2u plus 3v equal to 2. First equation, this is taking as first equation. Now second equation, 2 4u plus minus 3 minus 9 sorry v equal to minus 1. This is second equation. Now these equations, firstly we reduce these equations into linear equations. 2u plus 3v equal to 2, 4u minus 9v equal to minus 1. Now these equations can be solved by any method, whichever you feel easy. Now I am solving these equations by elimination method. Now in elimination method, we have to always make the coefficient of one variable numerically equal. Now observe from these equations. Here is 2, here is 4, here is 3, here is 9. We have to only make the numerically one variable equal, either u, either v. Now I am making numerically value of v equal because here is 3, here is 9. If this 3 is multiplied by 3, then 3 3 is a 9. Numerical value of both variable is equal. Now multiply first equation by 3 only. 3 is multiplied by each term. 3 to the 6u plus 9v equal to 6. Now taking second equation as similar way, that is 4u minus 9v equal to minus 1, because our motive is only to make the one variable numerically equal. Now observe, here both numerical values are equal. Here is coefficient of v is 9 in first equation, and second equation also coefficient of v is 9. Now also there is no need to subtract because already both variables have opposite sign, so no need to subtract it, but we add these equations. Now 10u equal to 5, then u is equal to 5 upon 10, that is 1 by 2. Now substitute this value in any equation. Now substitute this value in first equation. Substitute the value of u in first equation. First equation is 2u plus 3v equal to 2. Now u is 1 by 2. Now 3v equal to 2. 2 cancels. 1 plus 3v equal to 2. Then 3v is equal to 2 minus 1. 3v equal to 1. So value v is 1 upon 3. Now we find the variables u and v. Now with the help of these variables, we find the value of x and y. But 1 by root x equal to u, because u is, we suppose that. Now substitute the value of u 1 by 2. 1 by root x equal to 1 by 2. By cross multiply, root x equal to 2. Here is root, so we have to eliminate the root. So squaring both sides. When we squaring both sides, 2 square, squares and root cancel each other, so x is equal to 4. Now similarly 1 upon root y equal to v. Value of v is 1 by 3. Now again cross multiply. Root y is equal to 3. To eliminate the root, we have to squaring both sides. Now squaring both sides, squares and root cancel each other. Y is equal to 9. Now x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. We find these variables with the help of given equations. Thank you.